Ito nga kaya ang tunay na pakay ni PBBM kung bakit siya ay bumisita sa bansang India dahil sa BrahMos missile na nais niya na ang Pilipinas ay magkaroon nito bilang depensa, hindi para sa giyera ayon sa kanya. Dito nga sa interview sa kanya sa First Post exclusive interview, panoorin po natin ang mga kasagutan.
We're the first country that bought the BrahMos system from India. What's next? Is it fighter jets from India? Is it naval systems? Are more purchases on the cards?
Well, everything's on the table right now. As you may know, the Philippines is in the midst of a modernization of our military, and so we are looking to see what's the most suitable for our defensive needs. Let me be clear, though, we are not girding up for war. We are simply reacting to the challenges that we are facing. Those challenges, those tensions have increased in the past years. And so this is just the reaction to that. And we have to do it. It is our duty to defend the country. So in so doing, we have a schedule of procurement of military equipment. But then, equally importantly, is the exercises that we do together, the cross-training that we do together. When I left Manila a couple of days ago, 4 Indian vessels were actually in the South China Sea. One of them was a research vessel that was in Manila, that was in the Philippines, and 3 Indian vessels were conducting exercises with the Philippine Navy. So that kind of exercise is important. So again, to be able to be interoperable, in a purely technical sense, with our allies, then we have to upgrade our equipment to a standard that is interoperable. And that's what we are learning, and what it is that we need, and so that's why we're not taking anything. We're not taking anything off the table. We're keeping all our options open. So that's where we stand right now. We're continuing to see I've spoken to the officers and men who operate the BrahMos system, and they say we need more. So their experience of it, thank God, it has never been used. But from the demonstrations that they've seen, from the training that they've received both in India and in the Philippines, the practice runs that they've done, they seem terribly confident in the equipment, and I think that we are in the process of actually procuring more. So again, whatever else, the Indian defense industry has been growing very rapidly, and
At habang naroon nga sa bansang India si PBBM sa kanyang state visit, nagkaroon na nga ng joint military exercise ang dalawang bansa sa West Philippine Sea, ang India at ang Pilipinas. Dito sa video makikita natin kung paano ang kanilang mga barko ay nagkaroon ng exercise sa karagatan ng West Philippine Sea.
Throughout that 2 days, sir, they were along with us, but they are relatively far from us, and we have been monitoring them. Tayo yung nagmo-monitor sa kanila, sir, actually, sir. Hindi sila, not the other way around na tayo yung sinashadow nila. We are inside the exclusive economic zone of the Philippines.
Wala tayong major challenges, so tinuloy na natin yung pagtatrack, monitor sa kanila, and we keep an eye on them kung meron silang mga unusual maritime activities na makaka-apekto sa pagkandak natin ng MCA na to with India.
Kahit naroon ang dalawang warship ng China na nagmamasid sa kanilang joint exercise, tuloy ang kanilang military exercise sa West Philippine Sea.
We're also wishing na magkaroon tayo ng supply ship na katulad nasa India. So this is also a good opportunity for us to prolong our naval operations if we have that fueling at sea capability.
at tinuro din sa kanila ng India kung paano mag-resupply sa kalagitnaan ng karagatan na hindi na kailangang pang dumaong sa pantalan. Sa kabuuan ng joint exercise ng dalawang bansa sa West Philippine Sea, tunay na nagkaroon ng magandang kinalabasan ang joint exercise na ito. Kahit na riyan ang presensya ng dalawang higanting warship ng China, ay hindi natinag ang dalawang bansang ito na magpatuloy sa kanilang exercise dyan sa West Philippine Sea. Kaya nararapat na ba ang Pilipinas ay magkaroon ng BrahMos missile mula sa India para pang depensa, hindi para pang giyera? Ito ang ayon sa sinabi ni PBBM habang siya ay in-interview sa First Post exclusive interview.